Hello student, now this is the important lectures of differentiation, class 12 mathematics, and in this lecture we have to solve the sum example on the basis of the implicit function. It is the most important function. भरपूर त्याच्यावरती क्वेश्चन स्टेट बोर्डला पण विचारले गेले आणि सीईटी मध्ये पण विचारले गेले. म्हणून आपण हे जे फंक्शन आहे दोन लेक्चर्स मध्ये कव्हर करणार आहे. वन लेक्चर फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट झाले आणि हे सेकंड लेक्चर आहे. सो मेक द रिव्हिजन व्हेरी वेल. So before we start today's lecture, I just introduce myself. My name is Munor Patil. I am the founder of Arise Academy. The Arise Academy at the Shirpur. It is the coaching institution. You can learning the physics and mathematics for class 11th and class 12. So what is the important thing about our academy? So in this academy, we teaching in the smart board. This is the first. Second one, there are the skilled teachers are there. Important. After solving the every chapters completion of after every chapter there are the examination that is the theoretical examination. After that we take the numerical examination. Again we go for the CET examination, and there is a every day we make the revision. And after taking the revision I ask the student, so they also well prepared. So in this way we complete our each topic and the chapter. So for that, if you want to join, so you can contact the Arise Academy Shirpur. So now it is also on Google. If you search Arise Academy Shirpur, there is a contact number also there, and so many information regarding the class is there. So you can go, and also this is our YouTube channel. From here you can learning the concept of mathematics and physics. So let's we start our today lecture. So this is the important question. ऑलरेडी आपण काही क्वेश्चन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन प्रिव्हियस चॅप्टर्स प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर मध्ये झाले, अँड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फार इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, एकदम परफेक्ट करायचे, व्यवस्थित करायचे. यू जस्ट रिमेंबर द सम इम्पॉर्टंट लॉज ऑफ लॉगरिथम. सो हियर व्हाट इज गिवन, x and y both are in multiplication and raised to power is different. Next into bracket x plus y and bracket raised to m plus n. So here m and n are constant and x and y as function. And here we have to show that, so we have to solve the derivative of that function, and after that we get the answer y divided by x. That is our solution, and we have to show that. And also we have to find the second order derivative. This is the first order derivative, and next one is the second order derivative. Remember that any one question is asking to the state board examination, either they ask for the dy by dx or either they ask for second order derivative, but we complete the both. Okay, so let's we start. So here very simple, two functions are in multiplication and raised to power also given. So for making the very simple to that function, so you can use the log of that is the property of logarithm. And remember there are the three important properties of logarithm. One is addition, that is multiplication property. Second one is division property, and next one is exponential property. So let's we start and we apply one by one property. So here we solving this question taking log on both sides. So taking log both side. So log of x raised to m into y raised to n. Our important question है log of x plus y, that is raised to power mn. So after taking the log, what is the exponential property? Remember the exponential property, whenever log m raised to n is given, so power of m is n, so we can write that power that is to the multiplication n into log of m according to this property, and apply this property here. So when we apply this property here, so what we get the answer. And before that, so there is one more important property of multiplication, log of m into n equal to, whenever the two functions are in product, we can write in additions by using this property, log of m plus log of n. So we using the both properties. So log of m plus log of n, by using the both property we solve the question. So here now left hand side both are in multiplication, so use this property, very simple. So we make both them, that is log x raised to m plus log y raised to n equal to, here we m's power is n, so according to this we get, so apply here the exponential property, so we get m plus n into log of x plus y. And after that, simply here left hand side we observe that the power that is by using the logarithmic exponential formula. So apply here. So we get m into log of x plus n into log of y equal to, that is as it is. So after applying those property, now we simplify this question, and then after that we just take the derivative, we get the final answer. Simple. So remember the steps. Steps are very easy. We taking the log on both side. After taking log on both side, here we use the exponential property of logarithm. This is the answer, and now here we use two functions are in product, so we use the multiplication property, and after use the multiplication property, here we again use the exponential property of logarithm. So now it's very simple, and after that we just take the derivative. So you must remember the derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x, and when we solving the derivative of y, so log of y derivative is 1 upon y divided by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, so apply d by dx on both side, and then that is taking the derivative of each term. So what we get here, so after taking the derivative, so now derivative of this term, so here we have to solve the derivative of this term. So here m is the constant and log x is the function, so m is as it is. What is the derivative of log of x? 1 upon x. So write down this 1 upon x plus n is the constant. Now it is very important step, we already take the derivative. So log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to m plus n, the constant term is as it is, and take the derivative of function. Here function is log. What is the derivative of log? That is 1 upon. So this complete term, write down the denominator x plus y into, again take the derivative of that function. So x derivative is 1 and y derivative is dy by dx. So this is the important step. So we take the derivative. After taking the differentiation, apply d by dx on both sides, and after applying the d by dx on both sides, then we use the formula. So here the log x derivative is 1 upon x, so we like m divided by x. Log y derivative 1 upon y divided by dx, so therefore we write. And after that here constant, so as it is, now the function is multiplication, and log of x plus y. How to solve the derivative? Log derivative is 1 upon x. So according to that, derivative of that goes to divide, and again take the derivative of that function, means the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of y is dy by dx. Simple. Here how to solve? Bracket expansion. So applying the rule of bracket expansion, so what we get the answer, m plus n divided by x plus y plus, it is multiply 1 as it is, and when the bracket multiply divided by dx, so we get m plus n divided by x plus y into dy by dx. Here that is as it is, m divided by x plus n divided by y dy by dx. And remember, if you जो तुम्ही प्रीवियस व्हिडिओ पाहिला असेल तर इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शनचे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करताना मी तुम्हाला एक सिक्वेन्स सांगितले. After taking the derivative, once we take the derivative, so very simple step you have to remember, write the all dy by dx terms on left hand side and all non dy by dx term and right hand side, and just taking the common dy by dx, and that term goes to divide, we solve the question completely. So these are the very easy steps. So we, for that we make here very simple. So this is the term of dy by dx, write down n divided by y dy by dx. So this is the term is dy by dx, goes to that side, positive becomes negative, so minus m plus n divided by x plus y divided by dx equal to. So next, now this is the term without dy by dx, he as it is right hand side la rail, आणि ही जी टर्म आहे विदाउट dy by dx, टेक द राईट हँड साइड, आणि टर्म पॉझिटिव्ह आहे इकडे येताना निगेटिव्ह, म्हणजे त्याचा आन्सर येईल. So that is m plus n x plus y as it is, and minus x minus m divided by x. Important step. All dy by dx left hand side and non terms right hand side, and after that just make the cross multiplication. And before we just be taking the common dy by dx. So after taking the dy by dx, what is present inside the bracket? Ny minus m plus n divided by x plus y into m plus n divided by x plus y minus m divided by x. Already तुम्हाला bracket expansion properly understood आहे. You can solve very well. Just cross multiplication is simple. So here we make the cross multiplication along with the sign convention. When x plus y is multiplied to n, what is the answer? That is, answer is nx plus ny minus y multiplied to both. This is the complete bracket. When my goes to minus sign goes to both, that is becomes minus m, it becomes minus n, remember. So when y multiplies, so we get minus m into y and minus n into y. After the bracket expansion, what is remaining at the denominator? Y into x plus y, bracket complete, and this is dy by dx. And the next, after taking and solving that, so we get, after performing the cross multiplication, x multiplied to both m and n, so we get, that is mx plus nx minus, here both terms multiply to m, so we get minus mx minus my, and on divide we get the term, the product of at the divide is x into x plus y. And just observe the which term we get cancelled. So here if you observe clearly, so now here x plus y both get cancelled because दोघं present at denominator ला. Next numerator ला observe करायचे which term is positive and negative and both are the same, we get cancelled. So here ny and ny both are positive and negative, same term get cancelled. And observe here which term we get cancelled. So mx plus and mx minus both get cancelled. Write down the all remaining terms. So here the remaining terms is, that is nx minus my divided by y dy by dx equal to nx minus my divided by x, ns minus my. परत simple observation on this equation, on both side numerator, observe that here nx minus my present आहे, इकडे पण nx minus my present आहे, both cancel होतील, and final answer जे पण येईल dy by dx equal to y is the denominator, तिकडे जाताना numerator ला जाईल आणि x already denominator ला आहे, write down as it is. So we get the final answer in such way that we prove that this is the most important question. Many times they ask into the examination, so just prepare well, take the screenshot, write down the question. Question is very easy. So I again explain that question so you can understood very well. So here what is given, so first we use the taking log on both side, and after taking log on both side, here we simply use the formula of log of m raised to n, exponential property of logarithm. Here we use the multiplication property of logarithm, and after that we take the derivative. Derivative simple है, log x are to 1 upon x and log y are to 1 upon y dy by dx. So according to that we get, and just after the, this is the important step, right, we write all dy by dx on लेफ्ट हँड साईडला लिहायचे अँड नॉन टर्म्स राईट हँड साईडला. त्याच्यानंतर सिम्पल आहे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. जेव्हा आपण क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार, रिमेंबर द साइन कन्व्हेन्शन. व्हेन y मल्टिप्लाय टू बोथ इट बिकम्स निगेटिव्ह because now this is the minus sign to the complete m plus n. So here when x plus y multiply to m, it both are becomes negative because minus m is multiply x and minus m is multiply y. सो अँड आफ्टर दॅट फक्त ऑब्झर्वेशन करायचे, कुठल्या टर्म्स आपण सेम टर्म्स कॅन्सल करू शकतो ऑन बोथ साईड. दोघं टर्म्स कॅन्सल करून सेम टर्म आपल्याला वी गेट द फायनल आन्सर. दिस वी कम्प्लिटेड, but also we have to calculate the second order derivative. So before that just write or take the screenshot so you can solve the question. This is important question. Okay, done, complete. Okay, so we go for the next, we solving second order derivative. So for second order derivative, what we get the answer, dy by dx equal to y divided by x. So second order derivative solve करताना simple step आहे, जे पण तुमचा आन्सर आला असेल परत एकदा एक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा आहे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो अगेन डिफरेंशिएट with respect to x. So when we take again differentiate, apply d by dx on both sides. And simple. So what is the derivative of this? Now here d into d, that is d square y, and dx that is dx square, completely equal to. So we get the second order derivative. In this side, two terms are present in division. So by using the division property of derivative, division property simple है. Remember the formula d by dx u divided by v. So v square v du by dx minus u dv by dx. By applying this formula, we solve the answer. So let's we start here. So x square as it is, denominator just square, denominator as it is लिहायचे आहे. Take the derivative of numerator, that is dy by dx, minus numerator, that is y as it is. Take the derivative of denominator. So what is the derivative of d by dx with respect to x? That is 1. So what we get here from answer is x into dy by dx minus y divided by x square, and simple just by multiplying. So this is the answer of d square y upon dx square. Also we can solve the second order differential equation. So x square here multiply, so x square into d square y upon dx square. This is the positive terms comes to this side, negative होऊन जाईल x into dy by dx, आणि हा मायनस वाय तिकडे निगेटिव्ह आहे, इकडे येताना पॉझिटिव्ह, प्लस वाय, what is remaining 0. So this is also called second order equation of derivative for that question. So remember, this is also important steps. Many times they ask into the CET, the question is given, similar question is given, and you have to also given the equation up to this and solve what is meant by that is equal to what answer we get. 1, 0, minus 1, 1 and 2. So 4 options are given. So for that, so you must tick the first and you will get the total mark. So in this question, up to this only this given and equal to question mark is there. क्वेश्चन मार्क असेल आणि तुम्हाला तो नंबर सॉल्व करायचा. तर या क्वेश्चनसाठी जो पण नंबर तुम्ही सॉल्व करणार, इक्वॅलिटी फॉर कम्प्लीट second order derivative equation of differential equation of, it is called differential equation in second order. So that is answer is 0. So very simple. So let's we go for the next question. हा क्वेश्चन परत मी सॉल्व करेन, बट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचे. सो एकदम कॉन्शियसली बोर्डकडे लक्ष ठेवायचे. इफ यू कॉन्शियसली रिमेंबर ऑल लॉज, हाऊ वी अप्लाय, हाऊ वी टेक द डेरिवेटिव्ह, तर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तुम्ही डेफिनेटली सॉल्व करणार. अँड आय रिक्वेस्ट जस्ट गो थ्रू व्हेरी सिम्पल स्टेप्स आर देअर. कॉन्शियसली लक्ष द्यायचे. आफ्टर दॅट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचे ॲट होम. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जस्ट टेक्स्ट मी अँड कमेंट मी की यू सॉल्व. फक्त येस सर आय सॉल्व दिस, किंवा तुम्हाला अडचण आली तर टाकून द्यायची, सर आय ट्राईड बट आय कॅन नॉट गेट. But mostly if you go through the two example, very simple way, if you solve, you definitely can calculate. Okay, so everyone should solve question number 3rd. Second मी solve करून देईल. Okay, again the question, हा question परत similar way ने solve करायचे. So here the constants are p and q, and similar previous question मध्ये जो constant होता तो m आणि n, इथं आपल्याला solve करायचे तो constant p and q. So again taking similar way ने solve करायचे, taking log on both side. So apply the log x raised to p into y raised to q equal to log x plus y raised to p plus q. So apply the two formulas of logarithm. One formula is very simple, and the formula is log of m raised to n equal to n into log of m, and next formula log of m into n equal to log of m plus log of n. This is the multiplication property of derivative. So we apply here the first. Now here we apply the property of this exponential. So p plus q, it goes to multiplication, log x plus y as it is. Here two terms are in multiplication, so it becomes addition of log. So then we get log of x raised to p plus log of y raised to q, and after that apply here the exponential property. So p into log x plus q into log of y equal to p plus q into log of x plus y. So we complete the simplify the question, and after that just taking the derivative of this question we solve the question completely. So here differentiate with respect to x we get, so apply d by dx on both side. So after applying the dy dx, just remember the formula of logarithm and apply the formula of just remember the formula of derivative. So what is the derivative of log x? That is 1 upon x. What is the derivative of log of y? 1 upon y divided by dx. And what is the derivative of this log x plus y? 1 upon x plus y. And again take the derivative of x plus y, that is 1 plus divided by dx. So this is the very simple question. So solve here, the p is as it is constant, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus, now q is the constant and derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. So we complete the derivative of one side. Next side, p plus q constant, write down as it is. And next the log, so therefore derivative is divide x plus y, take the derivative of that 1 plus dy by dx. Question is completed. Simple. After applying the derivative, just bracket expansion. So whenever we expand the bracket, so what we get the answer, it's multiply, so add as it is p plus q divided by x plus y plus p plus q divided by x plus y into dy by dx. And after that, simple, I already told you, after taking the derivative of implicit function, just write dy by dx left hand side term and non dy by dx terms on right hand side. So here when we write, this is the term dy by dx as it is, so q divided by y as it is, dy by dx. So this term is positive, goes to that side, it becomes negative, so minus p plus q divided by x plus y divided by dx equal to this is the non divided by dx term, already right hand side like as it is ठेवायचे, p plus q divided by x plus y, and left hand side la p divided by x, this is the non divided by dx term, take this side, it becomes p divided by x. ही स्टेप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, प्रत्येकाला यायला पाहिजे. ऑल जेव्हा पण तुम्ही इम्प्लिसिट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करणार, ऑल डिवाइड बाय dx टर्म लेफ्ट हैंड साइड and non terms right hand side, and after taking the common divided by dx, just solve the question by using the cross multiplication. So very simple question, we already near to complete the solution. Okay, cross multiplication. So very simple. So performing here the cross multiply, x plus y multiply to q, and make the bracket expansion also. So q multiply x, that is qx, q multiply y plus q times y. Here y multiply both. So when y multiply both, so minus sign is given to p also, and minus sign is given to q also. So it becomes minus py and minus qy on divide product of denominator. So denominator, there are the two terms, we write down the product of two terms and we get the answer. Next, equal to, take the 1 minute and solve the cross multiplication very fast. Solve the cross multiplication and check your answer with my answer. So take the 1 minute fast, make the calculation very fast. सोबत तुम्हालाही सॉल्व करायचं, फक्त व्हिडिओ पाहायचे नाही आहे. यू ऑल्सो सॉल्व. ऑलवेज देर इज अ नोटबुक विथ यू or the white pages. Whenever I told you solve this step, you solve. So after you solve, you can check your steps with my steps, so you can understanding where you make the wrong calculations, and you can then after that you just solve the questions. So everyone try this solution, make the cross multiplication, take the 1 minute fast. Solve this cross multiplication, take the 1 minute, and after you solving, then I just complete the question. झालं सॉल्व, सिंपल आहे. ओके, आय होप तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी सॉल्व केलं असेल. सो लेट्स आय कम्प्लीट दिस. सो एक्स मल्टिप्लाय टू दिस, सो दॅट इट बिकम पी एक्स प्लस क्यू एक्स मायनस, this is the minus p, multiply both, so it becomes, so answer is minus px and minus py on divide product of both terms, that is x, and next bracket x plus y. Simple observation, which term we get cancel? First observation kara, denominator la x plus y both are same, we get cancel. Numerator, just observe that plus qy and minus qy, magnitude same, and there is a negative, so get cancel. So here which term we get cancel? So px and px both get cancelled, write down the remaining all terms. So remaining terms are here qx minus py divided by y dy by dx equal to here qx minus py divided by x. So again simple observation. So clearly पाहून घ्यायचे ऑन बोथ साइड न्यूमरेटरला जी टर्म आहे क्यू एक्स पी वाय दोघं सेम आहेत म्हणून आपण त्याला कॅन्सल करणार आणि आफ्टर कॅन्सलिंग हिअर 1/y इज प्रेझेंट and 1/x is present. Y is the denominator to the multiplication of dy by dx is goes to the numerator. So what we get the final answer dy by dx equal to y divided by x and make the bracket. So we complete the question. This is the important question. Very simple question. You can solve and make the practice. Many times the question, the format is asked. Similarly, we complete this. So we solve dy by dx. Next also we calculate the d square y upon dx square. And remember that the question is similar. Answer is same, y divided by x. So second order derivative also same. So for this question, answer is same also. Why divide the pattern? Remember, if you remember that pattern, and what is the pattern is here? X into y raised to constant, x plus y raised to constant in addition. If it is, answer is y upon x. If similar way, only here p and q are the different constant, answer is same dy by dx. And when you solve for the differential equation in second order, so this is the differential equation in second order. And simple, again take differentiate with respect to x, apply the simple property, that is division property, and after applying the division property you get the final answer. So in such way that we complete the two question. तुम्हाला already बोलो तो when we start the question you solve the one question and just text me. If you solve, text me yes sir. If you not solve, text me okay no sir. Okay, simple. So I again repeat, simple, taking log both side, एकदम fast revision करायची. Taking log both side, rest to becomes multiplication, product becomes addition, log. Again taking log on both side, again exponential property, it becomes goes to multiplication, and after that differentiate with respect to x. When we take the derivative, apply d by dx on both side. So here we apply the d by dx on both side, and after applying the d by dx on both side, now it is simple, we take the derivative of log x derivative 1 upon x, log y derivative 1 upon y dy by dx, and the derivative of log term divide, and again take the derivative of x plus y, that is 1 plus dy by dx, and just simple make the bracket expansion, and after make the bracket expansion we write all terms of dy by dx on left hand side and non terms of dy by dx on right hand side, and त्याच्यानंतर simple performing आपण cross multiplication complete केलं, and after the cross multiplication we get the final answer, and this is our answer. And we also solve d square y upon dx square, and also there is the one question, what is the differential equation in second order for this question. This is also completed. Okay, okay, if you understood both question you can solve the next question, and just this is the next question. So write the next question. What is given? X raised to 5 into y raised to 5 equal to x plus y raised to 12. Remember, in previous question is given x raised to p into y raised to q equal to x plus y raised to p plus q. And what is the question in terms of n? So that is x raised to n, x raised to m into y raised to n. Question is simple. X raised to m into y raised to n equal to x plus y raised to m plus 1. So for solving the both question, answer should be same. dy by dx again we solve, but here 12 is given. So for that you must solve by taking this question similar way. So that is x plus y, addition of 5 plus 7 is 12. So this is the question you have to solve. Simple way ने solve करायचे, taking log both side ने exponential multiplication property use करायची, then take the derivative, simple cross multiplication, and before the cross multiplication write all dy by dx term लेफ्ट हँड साईडला आणि नॉन टर्म्स राईट हँड साईडला, नंतर क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन परफॉर्मिंग करून तुम्हाला हे आन्सर मिळून जाईल, दॅट इज dy by dx. So solve the one question, and I request everyone should solve the question. After solving the question, comment on me, comment there the comment box. So just comment if you solve. If you are any problem for solving, just discuss there so I can understood how many students can understood that question. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, note down the question fast. Done. क्वेश्चन लिहून घ्या, तुम्हाला लगेच आता प्रॅक्टिस करायची, फक्त ही स्टेप्स लक्षात ठेवा आणि त्याच्यानुसार तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायचं. क्वेश्चन एकदम इझी, एव्हरी वन कॅन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन, आणि हे रिपीटेड विचारले जातात म्हणून हे क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला परफेक्ट करायचे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question, when we observe that there are the so many under root, but the patterns is similar. And what is the pattern is given? First under root sin x plus, second under root sin x plus, in third under root sin x plus, and it up to the infinity. What is the meaning of that? The sequence is continuously. So when the sequence is continuously, so we can solve the question. It's very easy. So here for solving this question now, very simple. So squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, under root is there, so therefore we solve by squaring on both sides. So here we get, so y becomes y square, and when we take the square of the under root get cancelled, single under root get cancelled. What is the answer? Sin x plus under root of sin x plus under root of sin x plus up to infinity. Remember that this term is continuously present, and what is the meaning of this term? That is y. So it is up to the infinity, up to the infinity. So if it is up to the infinity, same format, so we get here same format, so this replaced by y, and after replacing the y we get the final answer. Now question is very easy. So y square equal to sin x plus y, then y square, y is positive, taking this side, negative equal to sin of x, and just take the derivative of that, you get the solution. So differentiate with respect to x. So here we get, apply d by dx on both sides, and you know that what is the derivative of x raised to n and what is the derivative of sin x. So solving, so y square derivative is 2y into dy by dx, and y derivative is only dy by dx with respect to x, and the derivative of sin of x is the cos x, and just taking the dy by dx common, so what is present into the bracket? Now it is very simple. So first is 2y is remaining, and next dy by dx taking common, minus 1 equal to cos of x. The value of dy by dx is cos of x on divide. This is completely goes to divide because it is multiplication with dy by dx. So 2y minus 1, this is our final answer. This is the simple question. Similar question they ask. So here there is a sequence is given similar, so after taking squaring we consider this y and solve very simple way. This is the again simple question, many times asked, and this format there should be a different, that is cos, whatever it may be. If there is a cos next, cos given, and the cos derivative is minus sin x, the answer is become minus sin x. So you at your home solve the one question, y equal to under root of cos x plus under root of cos of x plus under root of cos of x plus up to the infinity. हा क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला घरी सॉल्व करायचा. एव्हरीवन शुड सॉल्व अँड चेक युअर आन्सर बिकम्स. तुम्हाला आन्सर पण देऊन देतो मी, सो यू कॅन व्हेरीफाय युअर आन्सर. dy by dx minus sin x divided by 2y minus 1. This is the answer of this question. Everyone should solve the question, make the practice, and this is the answer. Just check your answer. If your answer correct, so tell me again, tell me. So that is question number 4. This is the question after the question number 4. So write down now to see your correct answer. हा question solve करायचे, परत मला comment करायचे की you solve. Okay, next. This is again similar question. Here continuously sequence is there, under root of log x plus under root of log x plus under root of log x plus dash 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 up to the infinity, means it is continuous sequence is given. So when it is continuously similar terms are given, so again we solving this question by using taking the squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. So after squaring on both sides, so y becomes y square, and under root get cancelled, answer only log x plus next under root is as it is, so that is log x plus under root of log x plus up to the infinity. So now here we replace that term. This is the term completely y, so we replace here y, and after that y square minus y equal to log of x. So that is differentiate this question with respect to x we get. So apply d by dx on both sides, y square minus 1 equal to, and d by dx that is log of x. So what is the answer of this? Again simple, you know that the derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x, and here derivative of 2y, that is y square is 2y divided by dx. Derivative of y square is 2y divided by dx, and next y term is there, having derivative dy by dx equal to log x derivative is 1 upon x. So simple, taking common dy by dx, so we get into the bracket 2y minus 1 equal to 1 upon x, and simple, the bracket of multiplication goes to divide. So this bracket, so dy by dx we get equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. Those, this is the final answer of this question. So this is again similar question. Here we ask, and now very simple pattern is there. So we just observe that pattern up to the infinity. So this is up to the infinity. So if one term is goes, so next term is again y, that is it is continuously up to the infinite time. So take the screenshot and write down the question. And now last, we solving the next question, again very simple and very important question. Simple, y is given equal to x raised to x raised to x raised to up to the infinity, means it is continuously x raised to 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 up to the infinity. So and it is raised to the power, so raised to solve by using taking the log on both sides. So here we taking log on both sides. So apply the log of y equal to log of x raised to x raised to x raised to up to infinity. So by using the property of log of m raised to n, n into log of m, exponential property use करायची. So when we use the exponential property, the answer is x raised to x raised to x raised to up to the infinity, and this is the log of x, and this is the log of y. Remember, this is the answer question. Itself it is the question because it is answer up to the infinity. So replace this by y. So we get log of y equal to y into log of x, and just simple differentiate this question with respect to x. So we get the answer. Apply d by dx on both sides, and just simple remember the derivatives formula, so you can get the final answer. Simple. So here when we solve the log y, what is the derivative of log of y? 1 upon y divided by dx equal to two terms multiplication मध्ये by using the multiplication property of derivative. So for this we using the multiplication property, and simple, first as it is take the derivative of second, that is log x, and second term as it is take the derivative of first, that is dy by dx of y. So just here performing, so y into log x derivative is 1 upon x plus log x as it is, and the derivative is dy by dx. Already here term is present y dy by dx. So we solving very simple. Remember the multiplication property of derivative, very simple property. After that just write down the dy by dx one time, one side. dy by dx चा term तुम्हाला लेफ्ट हँड साइडला घ्यायचे. Simple, taking the common dy by dx, what is present inside the bracket 1 upon y minus log x, solve by using the cross multiplication, what we get the answer 1 minus y into log of x, bracket complete, divided by y divided by dx equal to, and the answer is here y divided by x and y divided by x. The final answer of dy by dx equal to, simple, denominator y is present, it goes to numerator, y into y becomes y square, and divided by x as it is at the denominator, and this goes to divide. So we get the answer 1 minus y log of x. So this is the solution of this question. It is, we get the final answer. So in this lecture we solve 6 important questions, and the question asked into the examinations. सो प्रॅक्टिस तुम्हाला एकदम परफेक्ट करायची, काही डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही मला टेक्स्ट करू शकता. and during the all 6 question मी 2 question तुम्हाला घरी solve करायला दिलेत. So everyone solve both question at your home and then just text me there into the comment you solve or not solve. If you have any problem, just share there your what is your thoughts. So now these are the lectures here. So today we complete the implicit function. So many questions. There are also some simple examples are there. You can solve at your home also. So make the practice and solve the so many questions. If you have any doubt, you can text me. And most importantly, if you not subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you very much.